Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. The government has launched a new program, the Agricultural Push Start Program, which it says it hopes will accelerate import substitution. The program was launched last week. Dashan Hendricks reports.
Minister without portfolio in the Agriculture Ministry, J.C. Hutchinson, outlining to farmers his latest push, an ambitious target.
Growing agriculture by 30% next year.
The stated outcome of the newly launched Agricultural Push Start program, under which private sector entities joining with government will provide seeds, fertilizers and chemicals to farmers on a supply contract. In this, there will be no free lunch.
So the time when we usually have a thing where you say, give me something, and you have the handout finished.
So having received everything to grow, what will farmers be left to do?
The only thing that we expect you to do for yourself is what? Prepare the land.
Crops grown under the program will be bought from the farmers by a private sector entity, guaranteeing them a market at a fixed price agreed in advance. Mr. Hutchinson says he knows in the past when prices exceed what was agreed, farmers disregard the contracts and sell to the highest bidder. Now he gives them a warning for those who will do such and seek to return when prices fall.
Enough you who join the program and you bolt. I am just saying, tata, bye-bye. Don't look back this way again.
The crops now under consideration are Irish potatoes, onions and Scotch bonnet pepper. Next year, other crops will be added. The aim, not only being to replace imports, but to target the export market as well. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Currency trading will open tomorrow with the US dollar selling for $128.22. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $103.15. Sterling is going for $168.82, while the euro cost $150.87. The price of oil settled at its highest in nearly 3 weeks on Monday as increased tensions in the Middle East raised concerns over global crude supplies. Oil for delivery in November climbed 42 cents to settle at $51.87 a barrel. It's the highest settlement price since September 27. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.